4 to 6 years. Yeah. Pretty soft, very nice, very long hair. Yeah. So tell us which character so guys, some oversized, oversized like oversized, oversized. Let's say this oversized. We just prefer anything oversized for him. So let's see what we got inside together. Hi guys. So today we are doing this mini H&M unboxing. I ordered some things for my son the other day and they got delivered. So I decided to do the unboxing with you also. Let's see what's inside together. Like normally I don't really like make buying things for him from H&M. I prefer buying things for him from Zara because H&M their things always come in smaller sizes. I like oversized soft for my some oversize. When I mean oversize, like 2 size or 1 size ahead. I just prefer everything oversized for him. So let's see what we got inside together. The first item we have in here, let's see what's in here together. I think the first item. Okay. This shirt. I got this shirt for my son. I've always wanted this shirt for him for a very long time. And this shirt is in size 6 to 7 years. Though my son is 4 years, it's not even up to 4 years. So like I said before, I like oversized stuff. So this is the first item we have in here. The second item we have in here is this suede jumper or sweatshirt. I picked this one in the size 6, yeah, 6 to 7 years also because I like them oversized for you. Since H&M don't really do oversized socks, so I like to go like 2 size ahead for him. This is lightweight. It's good for like early autumn or early winter, like not really like very light. So the second item we have is a short to match with the first pullover I just showed just now. This is the short to match, and this short is in size um 4 to 5 years because this was the last item they were having. They were not having any other sizes for him. I would have loved to go for like a 5 to 6 years also, but fine, we'll go with this. So the second, like the other item we have here, this two-piece pajamas for him, sleeping wear for him also. So this I'm not really too bothered about the size, but I think I picked this one up in size and 4 to 6 years. Yeah, pretty soft, very nice, very fine fabric. And here we have let's see what we here. Okay, here we have this jean, this straight cut jean, pure black denim trouser for him. He has one before, but he have overgrown that one, so I decided to buy another one for him. This one in the size 5 to 6 years. Yeah, this is it. This is stretchable though. It's stretchable and the fabric is nice. The one he has been using it for like 2 years now and it's still okay. So the next item we have here is okay. This just a plain white t-shirt I got from him, so I can be using it to lay up a jumper or a pullover for him. I really like my son to wear his pullover, and he has a very pure white t-shirt on underneath it. So the other item we have here is this denim shirt. Yeah, this denim shirt. Wow, this I think this will be too big for him, but anyway, we'll still keep it. You know, children they grow so fast, so definitely we are keeping it. And this one is in the size 6 to 7 years also. I love it. It's nice. We are keeping it. Then the last item, which is my son's favorite. He does not joke with any of his superhero characters. This is his favorite. He loved this so much. This is his favorite, and I love it too. You can hear him talking on here. He can't wait. He already come here.
Okay.
Yeah. So tell us, which character is this? What is this?
Spider-Man.
Yes.
Captain America.
Captain America. Yes.
Iron Man.
Iron Man.
Hulk.
Hulk.
The
Yeah.
Batman.
Batman. So guys, that is all for today. We see you guys in our next unboxing. We have a lot of unboxing to do, so we see you guys in our next unboxing. Bye for now.